For number 4, a sequence is defined by u sub n equals 71 minus 7n over 2. Prove that the sequence is arithmetic. We do know the definition of an arithmetic sequence. The difference between any term and its previous term is a constant. Then this sequence is arithmetic sequence. This constant is called the common difference. Therefore, for A, we need to figure out u sub n minus u sub n minus 1 equals a constant D. Then we will say u sub n is arithmetic. We know u sub n given 71 minus 7n over 2. For u sub n minus 1, every single n in u sub n will be changed into n minus 1. So we have 71 minus 7 times n minus 1 over 2. Distributive property, 71 minus 7n plus 7 over 2 equals 78 minus 7n over 2. Therefore, for u sub n minus u sub n minus 1 equals 71 minus 7n over 2 minus 78 minus 7n over 2. Put these two together, we have the same denominator, 71 minus 7n minus, don't forget put the parentheses, 78 minus 7n. Then we do distributive property. We will get 71 minus 7n minus 78 plus 7n over 2. Combine like terms, negative 7 over 2. Since the difference between any term and its previous term is a constant number, negative 7 over 2. So u sub n is an arithmetic sequence. Let's go to B. We do know u sub n equals 71 minus 7n over 2. And u sub 1 equals every single n you change into 1, 71 minus 7 over 2 equals 64 over 2 equals 32. For D, we already figured out u sub n minus u sub n minus 1 equals negative 7 over 2 from A. So we know this D is negative 7 over 2. Or you can get from this general form. We know the general form of arithmetic sequence is a special linear function. For linear function, we have mx plus b. And this slope will be common difference. So for u sub n, I can write down 71 over 2 minus 7 over 2 times n. The slope is a negative 7 over 2. So this will be the common difference. We can get the D equals negative 7 over 2. Try to make a connection between linear function and arithmetic sequence. Common difference is the slope, or slope is a common difference when the domain of linear function is a natural number. It will form an arithmetic sequence. Let's go to C. Find u sub 15. U sub 15 equals We will change this n into 15. 71 minus 7 times 15 over 2 equals 71 minus 105 over 2. So negative 34 over 2 equals negative 17. Let's go to D. For what values of n are terms of the sequence less than negative 200? We will set up usable n less than negative 200. Usable n is 71 minus 7 n over 2 less than negative 200. We multiply by 2 both sides, then reduce 71 minus 7 n less than negative 400. Then minus 71 both sides, negative 7 n less than negative 471. Then we divide it by negative 7. Remember, mommy, daddy, nanny. When you multiply divided by negative number, we switch the symbol. Since we divided by negative 7 both sides, we change the symbol n greater than 67.3. Since n is called the ordinal number, n is a natural number. We're looking for a natural number greater than 67.3. This n equals 68. You can check. Usable 68 equals 71 minus 7 times 68 over 2 equals negative 202.5. This value is less than negative 200. So this will be the correct answer. We can also work out D by equation solver. For usable n less than negative 200, we will get 71 minus 7n over 2 less than negative 200. If we want to use equation solver, we have to change into less than 0, greater than 0, or equal to 0 form. So cross the river, change the sign. 71 minus 7n over 2 plus 200 less than 0. We will put this into y1. Let's go to y1. Alpha y equals, enter. 71 minus 7x, change the variable n into x, over 2. Then plus 200. Math, upper arrow, enter. Alpha trace y1. We need to put an estimated number. Let's use 10. Then alpha, enter. The answer will be 67.3. So we will get n equals 67.3. We know this n is a natural number, but we don't know is it a n equals 67 or n equals 68. We need to check. For usable 67 equals 71 minus 7 times 67 over 2 equals negative 199. For usable 68 equals 71 minus 7 times 68 over 2 equals negative 202.5. Since we are looking for the value less than negative 200, so this will be the correct answer. Therefore, n equals 68. is the solution to D.